Hi everybody, I want to show you how to make this adorable Secret Life of Pets 2 cake. This is Snowball, and if you love the movie and you love Kevin Hart, you're going to love this cake, and I'm going to show you how to make it. You're going to put a little buttercream frosting on the bottom and put a half ball pan there, and then put buttercream frosting to create your crumb coat, and use your spatula to make it smooth all the way around. One secret trick is to get some parchment paper and smooth it out that way, and I always like to set it in the fridge or the freezer. Now I'm going to start out with taking some white fondant, roll that out larger than the size of that cake, put it over the top, and you can smooth it out all the way around. Now we're going to cut it out around the edges and smooth it out some more. Next, we're going to make Snowball's nose with a little round fondant, kind of in that shape. Now we want to take some blue fondant and roll out his mask. Cut it so it goes around his nose. And then I used some really small cookie cutters, some round cookie cutters, to cut out the eyes. And smooth those around. Lay that out just like that, and I'm going to cut all the way around. Once we have the mask on, then we're going to do a little lighter blue for the eyes and put some black pupils shaped in circles and flat on top of those. Now I've cut out a little shape for his mouth, and I'm going to finish off with kind of just some like white accents on the eyes to give him some depth. Shape some teeth and put those on the bottom, kind of the bottom lip, and those bottom teeth. Of course, Snowball needs a little pink nose. Now I'm going to roll out a little yellow fondant to put right above his eyes. And if you have a hard time having it stick, just use a little water and it will stick on there just fine. To me, this was the trickiest part, just kind of getting that shaped out right there. But that's the beauty of it. It's art, and you can play around and have fun with it. Once the mask is done, then I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut it in a V. This is going to go on the top of his head. And if you want to make it gold, I just got some edible gold powder and sprayed it on there. But if not, just use it as yellow. Cut off at the top just like that. Now we make his bunny ears. I shaped out one ear in the blue fondant, rolled it out a little bit, but it's still really thick and chunky. And I kind of molded it over just like that. Now I shaped out the other ear as well, just kind of roll it around like that and start shaping it. And same as before. Now on this, I wanted to make them kind of stand up. I put them out there and I liked how it looked, but I wanted it sticking up a little bit more. So this is how it looks like if you don't mold it with a cake pop stick. Just stick it on just kind of like that. All right, so if you want to make the ears stick out a little bit more, all you have to do is take a cake pop stick, stick it in that ear just like that, and then just kind of bend it. So this one you have to kind of really work for a little bit to get it to shape the way you want it to. And stick it in just like that. Look how cute that is. You can kind of make it stick straight up. Next, what we're going to do is lay out the body. Just did a little round, more of an oval shape for the body. Laid that out just like that. And did some yellow for the chest area. Put it on just like that, and now we're going to work out those little cute paws. So I created just kind of a little shape of the paws just with some white fondant, and used a little bit of a cutting tool to make the paws. Did this on the second one as well. Actually, I'm going to do the cake pop stick first. And then wrapped it with some yellow fondant right around the arms. Then I stick it with a little bit of the cake pop stick sticking out on the bottom so it holds it in there, and just model it just like that. So there you have your adorable snowball from Secret Light of Pets 2. We would love you to subscribe and let me know what you want me to make in the future. You guys, thank you so much for watching.